I just got back my Leatherman Wave from Portland, sent it in on warranty after I did my EDC rotation at work. I broke a tool on it. I was trying to pry open some sheet metal on some HVAC equipment and snap that clean off. Since this has been gone for a couple weeks, I've been carrying my Leatherman Surge, and it's nice, but it's just too heavy. Really happy about having this back. This is always on me. Real good. You got all sorts of blades. You got your needle nose pliers. Comes in handy so often. From work to fishing, whatever. Got your one-handed straight blade. Serrated blade. Don't use those all that often. Mostly pliers and whatnot, but I could tell they gave me a new bit, Phillip and flathead that was getting real used up, so that was nice of them. So, and now it feels a little bit better tuned. It was pretty tight before I sent it. So, yeah, really like the Leatherman Wave. Happy to have it back.